I started my business because I wanted to spend more time with my son. I had a master's degree and an office job, and I barely felt like I saw him, and it caused me to lose sleep at night. I had always wanted to be a hands-on mom, and I was dismayed at the fact that I couldn't. So I set out to start a business, and I'm going to tell you about one of the most important business lessons I learned, because 5 years later, the raw food business that I started ultimately failed because I wasn't able to make enough money, and here's why. Even though eating healthy was a huge passion and teaching people even more of a passion, this interest didn't really intersect with a huge market need. In fact, only a small percentage of the population actually wants to eat that healthy, and mainly it's in January. So here's what I learned. When I went back into the business space years later, I learned ads management. Now, ads management is a skill that just so happens to be needed by 99% of businesses. So it was a passion. I loved writing, I loved helping people, but it was also a passion that intersected with something people really needed and valued in the market. If you overlook this key principle, you really risk it all. So take a close look at that.